Hey guys, in today's video I want to show you guys on how you can style your hair, and you can see here my hair is pretty dry and messy. In about 5 minutes or so, and whether you have stubborn thick hair like I do, have thick Asian stubborn hair, I could show you on how to get it perfect every single time within 5 minutes. So as you can see here, my hair is completely dry. There's no like wetness whatsoever. First thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a spray bottle, and I just filled it up with water, literally water. The best thing what you want to do is you just want to get your hair wet. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray decently vigorously into my hair. So you can see that I'm wetting my hair, and sometimes it's even like more wet than I want to, but that's better that it's more wet because I could always towel dry it. So you can see here that my hair is pretty wet, and it's really like moist, right? So what I do is I usually just grab a towel, get a towel handy, and just towel dry it. That's the first step you want to do. Okay, so it's like 80% dry, not fully dry yet, it's decently damp, but it's drier than it was before for sure. Put the towel back. Now what I have is a heat protectant. This one right here is by Tresemme or Tresemme. I will link everything down below in the description. And yeah, I'm just gonna apply again a little bit of heat protectant into my hair. I like to kind of start and lift my hair up like this and just kind of spray into it. What this does is like I usually blow dry the front part of my hair, get that nice in there. It doesn't have to be extremely dry, but I do like 5 to 6 spritz of heat protectant. Make sure you evenly coat it through your hair. So then now it gets my hair a little bit, still a little damp from the heat protectant. And now before it's completely dry, what you want to do is you want to grab your hair dryer. I will link this hair dryer down. It is not a Dyson, it's like a knockoff, but it does the same thing. And what I do is I usually do it max fan setting, lowest heat, just so it reduces damage. So I'm gonna just turn it on. It's decently loud, but I'm gonna start by kind of drawing the front here. And it's very important that I'm leaning forward because it's gonna create that volume, right? If you're blow drying in the opposite direction, your hair is falling, it'll create that volume, that lift that you want from the front, or that's what I want at least, so it's the most effective for me. So you can see here that my hair is getting lifted a lot. I'm using a brush here to just kind of brush it. There's holes in the brush that allows airflow, so it's pretty efficient. And you want to make sure that you're kind of moving the hair dryer around. I mean, it's not just staying still in one place. There you go. Keep the hair dryer moving while I'm leaning forward, getting a little close to my roots here. Again, you still want to tilt your head forward so it creates maximum volume and maximum lift. Okay, so my hair is decently dry. You can see it's not the cleanest, but it has that lift, it has that nice volume. Now what I want to do to get it hold and stay put all day is I use a little bit of cream here. This is the Tea Tree Special by the Tea Tree brand. I believe it's by Paul Mitchell, but you can see I've been using this product a lot. I'm just gonna take a little bit, like a fingertip amount here, about that much. That's really all you need, or all I need really. And what I want to do, and this is the most important step, a lot of people get this wrong and it weighs their hair down a lot, is sometimes people just apply it straight to the hair. Obviously not, you want to just put it on your palm like so, and that's about how much I use. And I'm just gonna rub it and kind of emulsify the product, right? So you don't see any more white here in my hands. If you do, it's gonna clump up in your hair. So I'm gonna just start from the front, and also make sure you get the back as well, and kind of just work it into your head. Usually a lot of people recommend starting from the back. I don't know, I just like starting from the front and getting a majority of the product there because that's where I want my product to hold. But it's also good to have it in the back of the head so it kind of goes to the roots and your scalp and everything. So now what I want to do is, while my hair is still decently warm from the hair dryer, I'm going to blow dry it one more time, but this time I'm going to do it in a cold setting to kind of lock it, freeze it with the product in my hair, and hopefully that way it kind of stays the whole day. So let's do that real quick. So I have a freeze button down here for cold air, so I'm going to go ahead and do that again while leaning forward. You can see it starting to come to shape now. It's a little bit cleaner look for the hair. Okay, there you go. And now you can see with a little bit of brushing and combing your hair to get in place. There's a lot of volume in my hair, kind of nice and fluffy. Now just the last thing that you need, just a little bit of hairspray, and I use this one. This is the Got to Be Glued. You can use the Tresemme one again. I have that one down here, It depends which one you like, really. I just happen to have two, and this one just holds better for me the whole day. Put a little bit of hairspray, 8 to 10 inches away. Spray a little bit on the side. Couple spritz on the top. And there you go. You should have a pretty strong looking hold. That's how I go about getting ready. And yeah, again, I don't have the freshest haircut right now, but putting on my glasses here for my final look. And this is usually how I go out and how I rock my hairstyle. And it's usually pretty good the whole day. About 5 to 6 hours since I've done my hair. And you can see that the hold is still pretty strong. I've gone outside with it. The wind's in my hair. I've gone shopping at Target. And literally, it's still holding pretty strong. Doesn't look like it's moving anywhere, so. Okay, so it's been about 10 hours since I've done my hair. As you can see, there is still a good amount of volume and hold to my hair. I think it's pretty good overall. Here's the sides, you can see, pretty good. Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next video.